si Senator Lauren Legarda is on her, I believe, third or fourth extension of her travel authority for medical reasons, no? Which we have begun to find quite suspicious already. So, on the one hand, you have a congressman who has left the country for an intended 2 months, visiting all these different countries. We want to err on the cautious side of things. Kailangan na namin i-flag yan. Diba? Dahil meron na siyang ongoing case dito sa Office of the Ombudsman.
Ganito na lamang ang nasabi ng ombudsman matapos sabihin ng Senate Secretary na extended muli ang medical leave ni Senator Legarda hanggang ngayong araw, August 19. Matatandaan kasi na humiling si Senator Legarda ng medical leave noong August 3 at August 5, 2026 at nasundan pa ito ng August 11 hanggang August 12. Nasa France si Senator Lauren Legarda kasama ang kanyang anak na si Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste na mayroon namang 2 buwang travel authority. Sila Congressman Leviste at Senator Legarda nahaharap ngayon sa kasong graft and corruption kaugnay ng umano'y 10 billion contract para sa solar projects. Posible raw na nagpila na ng asylum ang mag-ina sa France.
Everybody understands kung ano yung naging problema sa ghost electricity. They garnered a virtual monopoly of the allocated amount of megawatts allowed to be farmed, diba, yung solar farm, and yet they did nothing.
Pero bumwelta naman dyan si Senator Lauren Legarda at sinabing walang basihan at aligasyon na at medical reason lang ang ginawa ng senador kaya't humiling ng extension. Wala rin daw silang nilalabag na batas. Tiniyak naman ng ombudsman na posibleng kansilahin ang passport ng mag-ina sakaling mas magtagal pa na wala ang dalawa at maaaring ituring na fugitive of justice. Angel Arquero, RNG News.